My name is Ethan Matlack.
My name is Taylor Kono.
My name is Nick Lubeck, and I am a robotics engineering major. The reason why I went to Widener University is for the opportunities, and that's between the robotics engineering major as well as the opportunity to start a brand new robotics engineering club. So the robotics club is actually a two-way street when it comes to classes, because you can take what you learn in classes into the club, and you can also take what you learn into the club into the classes.
Widener is one of the only schools that offers the program, and that's something that I want to be a part of, like pioneering the future with this, so I think that's really cool.
It's truly fantastic. I mean, before I even was here as a student, before I was even taking my first classes, I had already gotten to know a number of the faculty quite well. And that relationship, that close relationship that I have with all of the faculty is really something that I think is quite unique, and you just don't see it in many other schools. A lot of people think about robotics and they think about, kind of what's behind me here. They're very classic, robots, but realistically, robots are just anything that really has, an electronic control system, has motion control, and has some sort of software behind it. There's a lot of things that classify as robotics, and the possibilities are kind of endless, really.